Hi. So I have attempted CAT for more than 10 times now in a span of around 2 decades. और अगर मुझे फर्स्ट टाइम कैट अटेम्प्ट करने वाले कमल को कुछ एडवाइस देना होता तो मैं क्या एडवाइस देता? So welcome to this video and this is going to be very interesting for all of you also, I feel that. So my only suggestion would be first thing regarding the syllabus. So we need to see the pattern of the syllabus, what type of topics, क्या क्या topics आ रहे हैं, किसकी ज़्यादा weightage है. So nowadays for last more than 10 years now, arithmetic, algebra, these are the common topics. Numbers is the basics of all the things. Geometry आजकल कुछ कम आता है but there are questions. Modern maths which includes your permutation combination आता है लेकिन कम वेटेज है. सो मेजर वेटेज इज स्पेसिफिकली ऑफ अरिथमेटिक एंड एल्जेब्रा, राइट? सो सर्टेनली यू वुड बी फोकसिंग ऑन दैट. सो दैट इज सर्टेनली वन थिंग. बट ज़्यादातर स्टूडेंट्स कहाँ गड़बड़ करते हैं? स्टूडेंट्स गड़बड़ करते हैं कि मुझे कितना अटेम्प्ट करना है, कितनी स्पीड से करना है. सो मोस्ट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स गेट कंफ्यूज इन द स्पीड एंड द एक्यूरेसी पार्ट, बिकॉज या तो वो सॉल्व कर नहीं पाते हैं या वो सॉल्व करते हैं तो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस गलत कर देते हैं. आई हैव सीन लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स डूइंग सो मेनी एरर्स and I have seen, as I was just telling, I first attempted my CAT in 2008 and my last CAT was CAT 24. So in a span of this long duration, I have attempted CAT for more than 10 years and I have seen different kind of patterns. There were years when test had just 20 questions in each section. There were years when different sections were having 25 questions, kabhi 30 questions wale sections the. And there was a time also when there were only 2 sections, CAT plus Quant plus DI and verbal plus LR, where there were 50 questions in one section. So basically there have been different patterns and different difficulty level, but what is a constant thing? I score always more than 99.9. I have never scored less than 99.97, 99.98 percentile, 99.99 percentile consecutively for many years. I've got that. So the common thing which have been there in all these tests is the accuracy. See, speed never matters because the number of questions, how many you are able to do, that depends upon the difficulty level of the test. So that we have been discussing with our teammates also, that sometimes students go with a preconceived notion. कई बार बच्चे सोच के जाते हैं कि मुझे इतने क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करने हैं, अगर मैंने इतने क्वेश्चंस कर डाला तो लाइफ झींगा लाला. बट ऐसा नहीं होता है. इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द डिफिकल्टी लेवल ऑफ टेस्ट. If the test is of easier difficulty level, certainly you need to attempt more number of questions. Don't be satisfied with your preconceived number कि इतना कर लिया तो हो जाएगा. नहीं. And that's what happened in 2014. I've seen a lot of students doing that. And similarly, अगर test difficult है, so then don't try to rush to that number जो आपने सोचा है. हो सकता है कम क्वेश्चंस करने पे भी आप अच्छा स्कोर ला सकते हैं. And I will give my own example for you for this particular part. In last year CAT 2024, I had attempted after a gap of some 4-5 years, and I was able to attempt only 12 questions out of 22 in the quant section. Before that, I remember I had been attempting all the questions in quant section at least. That was my experience. So I went with that notion that I will try to attempt all the questions. यही सोच कर गया था मैं. लेकिन जब मैं एग्जाम करने बैठा तो I was not able to see the questions after some 13-14 questions. Meanwhile, I left 1 or 2 questions. So I ended up attempting only 12 questions in quant section. I remember that. And the first impression which I had in my mind, यार बूढ़ा हो गया हूँ, अब शायद ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं कर पाता. But when the result came, I got 99.97 percentile. So I immediately recollected. Maybe if I had done a little bit hurry, थोड़ा सा जल्दी किया होता तो शायद 1-2 क्वेश्चन और कर पाता, है ना? But it was not possible to do all the questions. And by the way, that was not required also. So the learning for all of you is that always focus on accuracy. Speed is not the game here. You know, if you are able to select those few questions which you are able to do, which you are going to do in that duration of the test, so you are having per question too much time. Even if you are thinking of attempting all the questions, so my dear students, 22 questions in 40 minutes, you are having close to 2 minutes per question, isn't it? And but if you are to attempt almost half of that, you are having approximately 4 minutes per question. That is too much, isn't it? So where is the matter of speed? Not at all. So this is not a speed game. This is only your question selection and accuracy. So if you accept these few advices, I'm sure you are certainly going to feel uplifted, and you are surely going to have a good confidence in yourself, and your attempt will also reflect that. So we have recently started our batch 2, and I'm going to take care of the quant section. There are other faculties as well, and the syllabus will be completed by almost September, and there will be free crash course for all of the students. And our mock CAT series, which we call iCATs, it comes up with AI based analysis, so that is certainly going to help you out. And you will be able to identify your mistakes, and you will be able to overcome that. You will have enough ample time to do that. So all the details regarding the batch is there in the description box, and you can call on these numbers as well, which you are seeing on your screen, for any query. Thank you. All the best.